Once upon a time in the deep dark woods lived a grumpy badger. He was very grumpy until he sneezed. You see, the badger had a very loud and powerful sneeze. It was so loud and powerful that it could blow anything away. One day, a squirrel was scampering up a tree when she heard the badger's sneeze. That was the loudest sneeze she'd ever heard. The squirrel peeked out of her hiding hole and saw the badger below. She thought to herself, "That badger is so grumpy. I don't want to meet him." So the squirrel just kept on scurrying up the tree and away from the badger. A little while later, a tiny mouse popped out of a hole in the ground. He wanted to get to the yummy berries on the bush, but he was scared of the badger and his loud, angry sneezes. Achoo! The mouse had never seen the badger before, but he knew he didn't want to be anywhere near him. So the mouse ran away as fast as he could. Well, the badger didn't know how loud his sneezes were. He just kept on sneezing all day long. Achoo, achoo, achoo. And each time he did, it made him feel a little bit better. Then one day, the badger was walking through the woods on his way to the river to get a drink of water. When suddenly, "Oh no," he cried. "I have to get to the river before I get too thirsty." But what's this? A big rock had fallen across the path and blocked the way to the river? The badger tried to move it, but it was too heavy. He tried again and again, but it was no use. "What am I going to do?" cried the badger. He was so thirsty and there wasn't a drop of water anywhere. Just then, the squirrel came scampering by. "Hey, badger," she called. "Why don't you just use your super strong sneeze to blow the rock away?" The badger thought about this for a moment. "You're right," he said. "I might as well use my super strong sneeze to help everyone in the forest." And that's exactly what he did. He took a big, deep breath and let out a mighty HQ. The rock flew up in the air and landed with a thud on the other side of the path. The badger, the squirrel, and all the other animals in the forest were very happy. From that day on, the animals in the forest never judged the badger for being grumpy or for his loud, powerful sneezes. They knew now that everyone has something special to offer. And they also learned not to judge someone by their sneeze or their furriness. The end. And if you like this tale, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel to get more tales like this one.